So this is your reteach for converting decimals to fraction. We're going to be using place value to help you get your decimal written as a fraction, and then we're simplifying. So remember the strategy. You read it, write it, and you write it as a fraction, and then you simplify it. Once you do that, then you have already converted your decimal to a fraction. So let's practice one. So here's our word problem. Bob finished 85 hundredths of the grapes he packed in his lunch. What fraction of the grapes did Bob eat? So let's go ahead and look at it. So we have 0.85. Well, we know 0 is the ones place. Then we have the decimal. Then 8 is going to be your tenths place. And then the last one would be your hundredths place. This is the hundredths place. So because it's in the hundredths place, we're going to read it as 85 hundredths. And just saying it that way, you could put 85 over 100. Now all we have to do is simplify it. Now, because they end in 5 or 0, that means it's divisible by 5. So we're going to divide it by 5. So 85 divided by 5, so that's going to be 17. And 100 divided by 5 is 20. Now, can I simplify 17 and 20? No, because 17 is a prime number. So that means we are done. And that means 85 hundredths is equivalent to 17 out of 20. So you're going to go ahead and practice the problem next to this video, and then you're going to go ahead and take your test. So good luck on your test.